Hey guys, today we will be switching to TradingView dark mode, which will not be hurting our eyes. This tutorial is meant for web version of TradingView. If you are using iOS or Android, you can follow our link on top. As for the first step, you will need to launch any chart with TradingView Web. Click on Launch Chart. Once you have launched any chart, right-click on any part of the chart that you are viewing. Once you have right-clicked, there will be a color theme option. From here, you can choose light or dark color theme. To switch back, right-click again on any part of the chart and revert back to light color theme. Alternatively, you can also change the theme by using the top left button. Click on top left button and select dark color theme. Do click the like button or subscribe if the video has been helpful. Thank you.